Watching hundreds of videos on how to land a video editing client, I realized that every video has the same most effective method for it, and that is re-editing the video of YouTuber you wanna work with, sending them the video and pitching your services to them. In this video, I'm gonna apply this framework again because it worked for me every single time. I'll walk you through the entire process from finding the right YouTuber to sending follow-ups so that you will have no reason to be clientless. At first, it might look hectic that you have to work for free, but the good news is it works. And I have got most of my clients using the same formula and retained them for minimum 6 months, and by the end of this video you will be able to do the same. So let's begin with the very first step, that is finding the right prospect. First of all, keep in mind that you should be very specific about the niche in which you are interested to edit videos, because it will make your search process easier, as every niche has some keywords which are very common in the names of channels of that niche. Like in real estate niche, keywords like realtors, flipping houses and real estate investing are very common. Similarly, other niches also have their common keywords, which you will eventually figure out looking at the channel names of popular videos in your niche. Now, I have a criteria which I check before finalizing the channel to target, and it is quite strict. After all, we are going to re-edit their videos and it costs time. First of all, we are not going to target channels over 100k subscribers because they most likely have a system and a team who handles everything for them. Secondly, they must be posting their videos weekly or bi-monthly. It indicates that they are consistent and are serious about their content. Lastly, their videos must have room for improvement, like they genuinely need better graphics, visuals or sound design. With this being said, let's move to our screen. Since I am interested in editing real estate information videos, so I will type those keywords with channels filter applied. But there is also a secret keyword in real estate niche, that is living in and name of any US city or state. For example, I will type here living in, let's say, Texas. On applying channels filter, you will get a lot of channels like living in Dallas, Texas, living in Houston, Texas, living in Texas. There are so many channels with living in as a keyword. Now I will spend a few minutes checking out these channels and matching my criteria, and then I'll show you what to do next. So in just 10 minutes, I collected 3 high quality leads perfectly matching our criteria. They have under 100k followers, they are consistent with their videos, and their videos really need some enhancement. And also I changed the name of location a few times, like I tried New York, Maryland and Seattle. Then I put their contact information in this sheet, and also I selected the video to transform right away. It will save our time later. And you can also put any kind of contact information of them in this sheet, so later we can contact them on every platform we have. With this, we are moving to the next step in which we are actually good at, and that is re-editing the video. Now we will do some magic on their clip. While re-editing, keep in mind that you don't have to show off your crazy animation skills. Just re-edit the part where visuals are actually weak and add animations to where it is necessary to convey the message. So our main goal is to make their videos look more professional. As I said in the previous step, that these videos are their sales letter, and more professional a sales letter is, the more it converts. So we have to make sure that it looks clean. And let's move to our editing software. So here's the video I have to transform. I have already downloaded it and will cut it from between 1 to 1.5 minutes where it feels natural. So let's watch the video. Here it seems perfect because he is completing his sentence here, and I have already seen few things which we can greatly enhance. So I will apply a cut here and remove the second part, and will apply scene edit detection. It will apply auto cut on each cut on the video. So let it do its job. Here it is. So first of all, I see this text is not looking very good. We have to improve it. Secondly, we will replace some B-roll footage because I know I can find much better than these generic ones. And color grading can also be improved because I can see low contrast in the background and colors are not popping out much. And in this part where he has introduced his location, we can do much crazier thing here. I will find drone footage or drone picture of this area and place the name of the location in 3D space. It will look much better. He also tried to locate the area using map screenshot, but this screenshot looks very ugly when you have GeoLayers 3. We will make this animation as well. So let's get into it. And you know what, when I edit a short clip of under 1 to 2 minutes, I start from the very last part. I don't know why. So in this clip I will start from where he introduced the area. So first of all, I'll find drone footage and then we'll place the text in it. So finally this simple animation is completed and I'll play it now. See how beautiful it is looking. Now I will animate the location of this area in Julius 3. And for map animations, I want to tell you that 3 months ago I made an animation for my client and I used that project file as a template for my current projects because I think it can't be more perfect. So for this project as well, I will use that template for map animation. So after 30 minutes, maps has been animated and you can see the results.
Mount Airy sits between Frederick and Baltimore City, right off of I-70, making it the ideal commuter location.
With this, major part of our video has already been done. Now we have to design a crazy intro because it should be most impactful part of the video and I have a solid idea for it. I'll not tell you that solid idea. I'll show you after making it, okay? And here's the result of that solid idea I was talking about. So you see how much better it is from the previous video in which only one B-roll shot was used, and instead of photos I have used videos from YouTube or some other websites like here and here. And I also placed text behind him and also his handbook he was talking about from his website. So this clip is pretty much done and now we will see before and after results.
If you're looking for the top places to retire in Maryland, then this video is for you because I'm going to walk you through the best places for retirement in Maryland in 2025, and I'm going to give you everything you need to know about them to make a decision of whether or not they're the right fit for you. These are places that have peace and privacy without being isolated, access to top-notch hospitals, walkable areas with charm, and homes that work well now and later. And before we dive in, my name is Eddie Brady and I'm a realtor here in Maryland, and I've just created a brand new resource for you called my Relocation Roadmap, which will guide you in the next steps of how to make your move to Maryland from another state. So if you haven't already, go on the link in the description and click on that link to download my guide. Now let's dive into number one, which is the town of Mount Airy. Mount Airy sits between Frederick and Baltimore City, right off of I-70, making it the ideal commuter location. And it's one of those towns that surprises people. It's quiet, it's scenic, it has everything you need as far as shopping and dining goes, but it still seems set apart from the rest of the cities in Maryland.
So comment down how was the video. Now it's time for our very last step, that is sending the video to prospect. Our re-edited clip is useless if we are not able to make them watch the better version of their videos. That's why this step is most important. We will reach out to them in two ways, cold email and Instagram, using both of them in entirely different ways. So first let me tell you about cold emailing. You see, the interface of Gmail is very cluttered. It is very easy for someone skimming through the page to ignore our message. That's why we need to be very concise and to the point, especially with our subject line, because it is what they are gonna see first. So the perfect subject that is concise and works well is I re-edited your clip with a professional touch. Or you can modify the second part with anything you prefer, like into a cleaner cut or with improved visuals, etc. Now moving to the body of our email. The rule of cold email is that it should be readable within 1 minute or 250 words. So again, very precise writing is needed. We are not going to waste our time introducing ourselves because quite frankly no one cares about who you are. They just care about what value you can provide. So we will start with, "Hi John, I came across your channel and thought I could enhance the visuals of your content, giving it more professional look so your videos can convert even better. To show you exactly what I mean, I re-edited a clip from your video, then the name of video, so that you can literally see the difference. Here's the video. Till this part, we have told them what we have done for them. Now it's time for call to action. I am sure you will love the video, and if you want me to edit your next video, just reply to this email or shoot me a message on here. You can end the email providing your general portfolio, but if you have previously worked for a similar client, you can provide their video link as well for stronger impression. Now send this email and wait for their response for 2 days, and in these 2 days we are going to reach them out on Instagram, not via DM but in a unique way. You just need a Instagram page for that. On that page we will upload before and after results of their videos mentioning that YouTuber. It will send them a notification, unlike DM where chances of getting lost among many messages is very high. And we are not stopping right here. If you still don't get a reply, post the same reel on a story and they will most likely view the story, like this prospect, even though he didn't reply. Anyways, if they are not replying, don't be sad. Just send them a follow-up email saying, "Hi John, I know you are super busy. Just wanted to make sure that this didn't get buried." It may give you a response like this, but even no is better than no response. If still you don't get a response, wait for another 2 days for the last follow-up email. But the very next day, send them their before versus after reel on Instagram with a voice note saying, "Hi John, just wanted to show you re-edited version of your video. Let me know if you like it and want me to edit your next video." This voice message will make you stand out among the other text messages which he got on daily basis, and something that stands out always gets a response. Now if you are going through your bad luck phase and still don't get a reply, as a last attempt, again send them a one sentence follow-up saying, "Hey John, just checking if you get a chance to see the re-edit I sent you over the last week." After this email, we are not going to message them again because now we know that they are not interested in our services, and you don't have to feel shameful following up again and again while being ignored, because it's just between you and them. And even big businesses operates like this. You just have to think that they are your future clients who can give you thousands of dollars for your services. Like my this client who saw his re-edited video and was ready to work on my prices. And now we are working together for almost 6 months. And you know, even you can land a monthly retainer like this one. You just have to re-edit and send them their videos on daily basis. It will not only polish your editing skills but also build a strong portfolio for you. Do this for a day, a week, a month, and I guarantee you that you will land your first high ticket client of your choice. And this framework not only works in video editing but every freelance niche. You just have to modify a bit according to your niche. So you can share this video to your other freelancer friends who needs clients.